Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to look at a question relating to algebraic expressions, specifically calculating how many terms there are in a sequence or in an algebraic expression. So let's see the algebraic expression that's been given to us. We've got minus 6x4 plus 4x to the 3. So I'm going to write this out and then we can evaluate it. Okay, so they've asked us how many terms are there in this expression. Now it's very tempting for some guys to say we've got this term and this term and this term and this term, but we know that those are not terms by themselves. Why? Because what is a term? A term is simply a combination of numbers and letters that are being multiplied together. So because these are being multiplied together, we know that this and this cannot be an individual term. It's rather this whole thing is an individual term. And based on that logic, we know that that is a term and we know that that is a term. So there are only two terms in the sequence. So our answer would be B. Fantastic, guys. That's all from me today. Thanks so much to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember, if you've got more questions like this, check out our website. If we haven't answered the question yet, send it to us and we will send you a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.